What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out, period, on any of the vibes that I have going on over here. And today is a very sad video, but I am reviewing this hair today, and if you want to see my thoughts on this wig, then let's get right into this video. My room is really dark. But anyway, so this is the pack of hair that came from Amazon. This is Andria hair. Andria hair. And I got a red wig. It comes in like this. They gave me lashes. These lashes is very questionable. I don't know about these. I got it for $49.99. It's a red wig, short bob lace, front wigs, glueless wine red. Why does it have all that on there? It says Andria, red wig, short bob lace front wigs, glueless wine, red natural wave, synthetic heat, resistant fiber hair wig with baby hair, plucked hairline for black women, wavy shoulder length wigs, 14 inches.
Damn.
Why is that the whole title? So this is how the inside is looking. It has a comb in the nape area, combs on the side, and adjustable straps per usual. It doesn't smell that bad. Alright, so let me show you the lace up close. Not too bad. Ooh. Oh, it's not that bad. I think I made it too tight though. It's not that bad. Ooh. Shedding a little bit, but it's not that bad. Alright, so let's get into this. Yeah. So I got my Too Faced powder like that. Put it on her. Put it on that girl. New York City. They should have had the whole New York on there. They should do a remix with all of New York. And put a verse or old verse of Pop Smoke. That ass. So that's what it's looking like. The lace is kind of yellow-ish. So I feel like I'm gonna have to do it again on top. This wig was given, but the shape of the wig is not given. Look how it's made. Like somebody messed up. What is that? Yeah, so it's not going side ear to side ear, as you can see. What is that? I do not know. All right, let's try to tack it down. I got my spritz. Yeah, I think I'm only going to tack down the top because the size is not giving what it's supposed to be gave. Like, what is that? I did not like spraying the spritz bottle, but since I am using a smaller bottle, I'm liking it way better. So we love that for us. I can't find my head tie for my edges. So I got this big ass scarf that's gonna have to do because I can't find nothing. Alright, so now that I have that down, let me curl the front just a little bit. edge fixer. It smells so good. I'm so mad that this hair don't curl. It don't take heat. I done messed this wig up. Well, this is the back of it.
I found this on the web.
Nobody asked you, Siri. I love the length of the hair. I love the color of the hair. I'm just so mad that it doesn't go side ear to side ear. I'm mad that I messed up the front of the hair because it's not that bad. Like, it's not that bad. I wish it was more of a curl, just like the picture. That girl is beautiful. It's probably not even this wig. Don't sell me something if that's not what I'm getting. I'm so upset about this wig. If y'all can find this wig, let me know where it's at so I can purchase it. I just wish it was better. Like, this was a miss. I thought I was winning, but why? Why is it doing me like this? Maybe if I put it in the wand thingies, it will probably curl more. Please comment down below how y'all feel about the hair, your thoughts about the hair, and what I could have done better. Please comment down below because your girl's upset. I'm upset. I really like this color. It's giving you need to go back to human hair. Human hair is pricey, but it's worth it. Like, you can reuse it all the time. And yeah, you can cut it up, shape it up, whatever. It's giving go back to human hair. But anyway, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.